Hello, we are at the dog park located at Orono Park here in Elk River today. And we have some exciting things going on at the dog park for 2024. We have upgraded our experience for the dogs and are laying some fresh dirt and new grassy down. And we will be irrigating that space over the next month, looking for having a lush area for the dogs to run and play. We'll be adding some new picnic tables as well as upgrading our dog fountains so they have nice clean water when they're out here playing. This will all open up for use on Tuesday, May 14th, which happens to be our first Dog Days of Summer event. So we hope you can come out and join us, and those events will take place the second Tuesday of every month throughout October, and Chuck and Don's as well as Spike's both are sponsors of those events, and we thank them for that. And in the meantime, if you need to get out here with your dog before May 14th, we're asking everyone, whether you have a big dog or a little dog, to share the small dog space and just be respectful of other dogs, as we're looking to make it a good experience for everyone.